Good morning. We just arrived to the hydroelectric dam. We're gonna fly here today, or it's the plan. It's very snowy. As you can see, it's just white, but it's beautiful. But it's super cold again. But let's see if it stops snowing. Right now it's just a little bit, so I'm thinking of at least trying. Finished flying, freezing my hands off, but there is a old ruin building, something that looks really cool from the road, so we're going to check that out. And before that we're going to eat some pancakes, warm up in the car, and off we go. Found one more interesting old building here, so we're going to see if we can enter and look around. For watching. It's been a really amazing day. So nice nature, beautiful buildings, we got snow. Yeah, it was a really good day. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope to see you soon again. I'm finished for today because I'm freezing. But please like and subscribe and share. Really appreciate it.